Before human civilization began, there was a moment that changed everything. A moment when early humans touched the power of fire. A force of destruction, but also a spark of creation. In the beginning, fire came from the sky, from storms and lightning. Primitive humans feared it, yet were drawn to its warmth. They watched trees burn, watched grasslands glow in the night. They learned to protect burning embers like a treasure. A single ember meant warmth, safety, and life. But one question remained: could they create fire on their own? They began rubbing wood together, hoping for sparks. Hands burned, arms tired, but they refused to give up. Smoke appeared, then vanished. Failure again and again. Until one day, a tiny glow appeared within the wood dust. A fragile ember, the first fire made by human hands. A miracle born from persistence. They placed the ember onto a bed of dry grass. Slow breaths awakened the spark. Flames rose warm, fierce, alive.
Fire, live, burn against the dark.
Fire cooked food. Helping the human brain grow. It protected them from predators in the darkness. And it created a place for stories, memories, and knowledge to be shared. From a small spark in the prehistoric forest, where humans first felt the hidden power of fire, those flames grew stronger, lighting the way for advances in hunting, cooking, and tool making. To the bright light of human civilization, where fire was not just warmth or light, but also inspiration, motivation, and the power to shape history. Fire, from a small spark, has become a key element, the starting point for every breakthrough progress, leaving a mark of humanity on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe us to watch the next videos. Goodbye, and see you next time.